Hola, bienvenido al canal BOOX. Have you ever thought about speaking a new language? Or are you currently learning one? If so, keep watching to see some amazing features of BOOX tablets for foreign language studies. First up, for beginners who want to improve their handwriting, our devices can be a practice notebook that offers endless sheets. In our Notes app, we provide a variety of templates with grids and lines, great for practicing different languages. BOOX devices come with 4,096 levels of pressure sensitivity, and they can nail subtle strokes such as those in Japanese and French. With an e-paper tablet, you don't need to buy any physical notebooks. Language lovers can often be heavy dictionary users as well. Searching the meaning of words and expressions, BOOX Neo Reader features very flexible word lookup and translation. Long press the word and the built-in dictionary will pop up. In the top right corner, you can jump to the dictionary app or add the word to your vocabulary list. Proficient learners can import external dictionaries via BooksDrop for a tailored experience. Check out our user guide for step-by-step instructions. Swipe left, you'll see the translation panel. You can also translate long sentences by tapping the translation icon in the word menu. On the top, you can switch between 3 built-in engines and 29 languages. If your goal is to pass a language exam, we're guessing you'll have piles of workbooks on your desk. Instead of using up loads of paper, studying in a digital format like PDF with BOOX Neo Reader will help you learn faster and more effectively. Thanks to Strikethrough Erase, mistakes in closed tests can be swiftly corrected by drawing a wavy line. You don't even need to open the toolbar. If the space for subjective questions is limited, tap the center area to bring up the main menu and tap Progress, where you can add blank pages to complete your writing. When you want to check your answers, with BOOX, there's no need to keep flipping back to the last few pages. Tap Split View, choose Current Doc, and you can smoothly start reviewing answers. As one of the few e-paper brands that embraces an open system, BOOX Tablets provides direct access to all productivity apps in the Google Play Store. You can download your favorite language learning apps such as Duolingo, Anki, and Babbel. Enhance your vocabulary, listening, and reading with any tools you want. Our devices, such as Note Air 3C and Tab Ultra C Pro, are powered by our exclusive BSR technology. With Fast Mode, you can enjoy a very snappy response for app using and switch between different tasks with ease. Aside from the eye-catching display and flexibility, our tablets can also store your resources, such as PDFs, notes, audio drills, and apps, all in one place. You can arrange your books with folders, quickly locate a note with the search tool, and listen to podcasts with the speaker or earbuds. BOOX tablets hold everything you need and allow you to access them at home, at the office, or on the go. Language acquisition is a long marathon, not a sprint, so choose the right tool and enjoy the daily progress you make. We hope this tutorial inspires you to pick up a new language or to dive deeper into one you're learning now. Thanks for watching.